Hi, Carolyn here with you today from Indigo Bluebirds. Going to show you what you can do with a paperclip to add to your junk journals or any other journaling. Going to alter this with paper, and I've got lots of leftover card paper, images from the digi papers and digi stamps. So to start with, if you tear a piece of thick card, or thick paper rather than thick card, you want it to be longer than your paper clip, because what you're going to do is you're going to put your paper clip over the top of this, and then that's going to form the putting it on a page, and that's going to go in between the paper, and then over the top of that we're going to decorate it with the leftover papers. So once you've put it on your paper, then I've found that the easiest way is just to stick some tape on it, just so that it doesn't move when you're sticking the paper on the top of it. I've stuck it down on both sides, and then if you get some paper slightly thinner, and what I've also done is when I've folded that over, I've got a hole punch, and I've just nicked the top of this here, so that when you put this over there, you can still see the paper clip, because then you could perhaps put some ribbon or other things onto the paper clip then, and have things dangling off the paper clip. So then if we use the grab and go glue and put this all over the paper, both sides, and then this can stick over the top of this, and then, because it won't really matter that you can see the paper clip at the moment, because once you've added the various layers onto it, it will cover that up. So we've got the first layer on, and then from that then you can build up. I've got some fabric that looks like a postage stamp. We can add these, and then all these different papers, I'll kind of just tear these and add these on. Maybe just have the flower. Let's see if I can put that on. Maybe put this down this bottom edge. The grab and go glue dries clear, so that, let's add a bit more paper. see, let's The tearing rulers come in handy as well. Let's make some room. And then hold the ruler taut and then pull away from that. Another scrap then we can use for something else. Let's see, we'll put that side perhaps, and then just build the layers up. Let's add what else do I want to add? This is some scrap embossing card, so that brings out the colour of the stamp there. We could add that. Might add a flower. Let's stick the flower onto that corner. And then I don't know where, let's put it about there. Layer that up. What else? That don't really go. So something like this you could poke through. It's not, I don't know whether it's quite long enough to tie, but we'll try. Let's see. Grab hold of that. Managed to get, there we are. What else have I got? We could put some stamping on it as well. This is the grungy little circles from the collector's edition. Let's see, just add a bit of stamping. There you go. Let's finish the back, because the back is looking a bit bare. If we just get some more papers, just tear those. I think the back, I just want to be able to cover the, let's see, cover the, let's get the tearing ruler. So it's just a bit narrower than the ruler. So let's see. That's one side. I want the same this side. Get rid of the scraps. Which bit shall we have on? Shall we? Maybe we'll put it that way. We've got this at the top. that goes down to about here. Just put that on. I don't tend to see the back that much. There we are. And then we could add some paint to this bit. Let's see. Oops. Get a brush. This paper's quite thin because it's just copy of paper. So we'll just it's soaking in really quickly to this, and then oh, that's soaking in very quick. Not sure I like that now, but let's see. Finish painting that. But it shows you what you can do with the paper clips. And then I just wipe this up. Oh, here comes Henry. And then let's just get a piece of paper, and then that just goes over the paper. So just a quick demo as to what you can do with paper clips. If you do have a go, let's share on with Indigo Blue, I Love Indigo Blue Facebook page, or tag Indigo Blue into your post. Thank you. Bye.